Hi, Purple Oranji here. Today I'm going to do some multicolored screen printing. If you haven't seen my previous screen printing video, you can always check it out in the link above. In that video, I showed 2 easy ways of how to screen print. Today I'm going to show you how to do a multicolored screen print, especially with more complex designs. Also, I'm going to show you how to recycle an old painted canvas frame to use for screen printing. For this project, I'll be using some baby oil, silkscreen mesh, a squeegee, some photosensitive emulsion, multicolor inks, and a screen printing frame. I'll have links in the description to my supplies. So, let's begin! First is to prepare the screen print frame. Apply the photosensitive emulsion to both sides of the screen and put it somewhere dark to dry off. You don't need a store-bought spoon for printing. You can just recycle old painting canvas frames. Start by removing all the canvas material and any staples. Cut out a piece of silk to the right size of the frame. Staple it on one side and wrap it around the frame to the other side and staple it. This will make sure that it is tight and flat. Do the same with the other edges. Next, I created a design that I wanted to print. I started by creating a simple sketch with dark outlines that I traced again in the computer to split it into different shapes. Because I wanted to print in different colors, I need to create separate designs for the things that would be in different colors. I printed out the designs on regular office paper in black and white. Once the emulsion dried, I put the designs reversed on the bottom of the screen. I applied baby oil and smoothed out any air bubbles. All the dark areas will be uncured and will wash out later. The next step is to shine a strong light on the design for about an hour. The time depends on the light. If everything works, you will be able to wash off your design from the screen, while the other parts remain in place. Only the spots where the emulsion is washed off will let the ink through. Just let it dry and you are ready to print. Now that the screens are ready, we can begin to print. I would suggest practicing on paper before you move to the actual t-shirt. T-shirt! All my designs fit on 2 screens. Since I am only printing a few items, this is okay. But if you wanted to print many things, then it would be best to give each design its own screen to save time. I start with my biggest design. Add the color you want to print and use the squeegee to apply the ink. Next, once that has had a bit of chance to dry, I apply the second color design that same way. Last, I finish off the final piece, in this case, the green leaf. That's it! 1 completed t-shirt! I learned a lot about photo emulsion printing on this project. I had a few failure experiences that taught me what to avoid or to do better next time. For example, I needed to allow more time for curing. I was able to fix it with some tape, so disaster avoided. Next time, I should be able to do better. The photo emulsion method is best for detailed design. Pretty much anything with simple color combinations can be printed this way. And you can always use emulsion remover to start with all new designs. If you like this video, please give me a like. And for more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel, Purple Oranji. Also, click the little bell icon to get a reminder of my new videos. Well, that's all for now. See you next time. Bye! PPS, thanks for watching.